waiting for? Package from China. Let's unpack it. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about this Nintendo Switch controller slash Ouya clone. Alright, are you searching for, let's say, a knockoff controller or a cheap way to play with your body? Maybe this is something you can use. You must understand we have the official controller from Nintendo. The Pro controller is pretty damn expensive. I really like it. It's like always a Nintendo quality product. But yeah, here it goes around 17 euros. So I was searching for, let's say, a basic controller to play some Street Fighter with my buddy. And yeah, if you don't need all the extra features like the motion tilt sensor or the amiibo and you just want to play against your buddy with a normal controller, yeah, I think this is maybe a good option for you. So let's take a close look at the controller and what are we going to get. So let's talk about the model first. Personally, I really love what they did with the two colors that is matching my Nintendo Switch. That is really awesome. So if I look at the grip, I've got pretty big hands, but yeah, it feels very comfy. The triggers at the back, yeah, I must say I have felt better, but a little bit basic trigger buttons. The L1 and R1, as I'm going to call it, yeah, they're L1 and R1. I'm used to PlayStation, but these feel pretty damn good. The button got nice response. The joystick feel good, nice click to it. And we're getting a more like a clickish D-pad. We're having all the buttons like the minus plus, the quick shoot or quick screenshot mode and the home button. Alright, let's connect it and let's play some games. Alright, let's play a little bit of Street Fighter because this is the reason why I bought this controller. Let's see. Just do training mode. Don't want to request, leave me alone. In this video I'm going to check out the D-pad and the analog stick and how are they responding. Right, it's very responsive. Alright. The first one was more personal handicap. Alright. This one works. So the moves come out instantly, no problem at all. So it's a very nice D-pad, the analog stick. So let's try a match against the computer. Oh man, T-Hawk again. I'm always playing with this. Always when playing this game, I need to first beat this guy. I really hate it. Alright, that's the first time. One thing is for sure, I really need to get used to this D-pad. So for the final conclusion about this Ouya / Nintendo Switch controller. I really love the design, it feels very comfortable in my hands. The D-pad is something I really need to get used to, that I maybe a little bit noticed in my video, or my gameplay video. But yeah, it's not a very cheap controller. They go around 25 euros so far I can remember. They can be a little bit cheaper or expensive depending a little bit where you buy it and when you buy it. But yeah, this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. What do you think of this design and the color? I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And see you next time. Bye bye.